12. Today's same chapter, complex number, the last class. Continuous of miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Last class, 11 questions are completed. Today, first, take your book, page number 113. Page number 113. Question number 12. Question number 12. That Z1 is equal to. Z1 is equal to 2 minus I. 2 minus I. And Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I. Minus 2 plus I. Find first one real part of Z1 into Z2 divided by Z1 bar. Conjugate of Z1. And second one imaginary part of 1 by Z1 into Z1 bar. 1 divided by Z1 into Z1 bar. Correct. Given information, two complex numbers. Given two complex numbers. Two complex numbers, 2 minus I and minus 2 plus I. We need real part of this complex number and imaginary part of this complex number. First of all, find Z1 into Z2 divided by Z1 bar. Z1 into Z2 divided by Z1 bar. Solution: Z1 is equal to 2 minus I. Z1 equal to 2 minus I. Then Z1 bar. Then conjugate of this complex number, that is Z1 bar, is equal to 2 plus I. 2 plus I. Here minus I plus I. Z bar. So the conjugate of the complex number is 2 minus I is 2 plus I. Okay? Right. First one, Z1 into Z2. Find Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2 is 2 minus I into minus 2 plus I. Minus 2 plus I. Multiplication of two complex number. Multiplication of two complex number. Right. 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2. So 2 minus I. 2 minus I into minus, take minus on both. So minus 1 into minus 2 plus I is written as 2 minus I. 2 minus I. There is 2 minus I the whole square. 2 minus I the whole square. So minus 1 into minus 1 into 2 minus 1 whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 in the formula. So a square 2 square 4 plus b square I square value plus b square is I square minus 2ab 2 into 2 into I 2 into 2 into I. Okay, right. So minus 1 into 4 minus 1 I square value minus 1. So minus 2 into 2 into I is minus 4I. Minus 4I is equal to minus 1 into 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 4I is equal to minus 3 plus 4I. Minus 3 plus 4I. Multiplication of these two complex numbers 2 minus I into minus 2 plus I is equal to minus 3 plus 4I. Minus multiple 2 terms. So minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Okay? Right. We need Z1 into Z2 divided by Z1 bar. Z1 into Z2 divided by Z1 bar. Okay? Z1 into Z2 is minus 3 plus 4I. Minus 3 plus 4I. This is Z1 into Z2. Okay? Right. Z1 bar is 2 plus I. 2 plus I. Okay? Right. Division of two complex number. Division of two complex number. So minus 3 plus 4I divided by 2 plus I into conjugate of this 2 plus I. The complex number 2 plus I is 2 minus I divided by 2 minus I. 2 minus I divided by 2 minus I. Right. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 into minus I is plus 3I. And plus 4I into 2 is 8I. Plus 4I into minus I is minus 4I square. Minus 4I square is equal to plus 4. I square value minus 1, so minus 4, I square is plus 4, right, divided by 2 plus I into 2 minus n, 2 plus I into 2 minus n, that is a plus b diversity formula, so 2 square 4 minus I square is plus 1, minus I square is plus 1 is equal to minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, and imaginary part 3i plus 8i 11i divided by 5, 4 plus 5 5 minus 2 plus 11i by 5 is written as minus 2 by 5 plus 11 by 5i, minus 2 divided by 5 plus 11 divided by 5i. Here we need real part of z1 z2 by z1 bar. This is real part and this is imaginary part. So we have first question, real part of z1 into z2 by z1 bar is equal to minus 2 divided by 5. This is answer. The correct answer. Okay, right. Next, second one question. Second one, imaginary part of 1 divided by z1 z1 bar. 1 divided by z1 bar. Right. First one, let us find z1 z1 bar. z1 into z1 bar is equal to z1 z1 bar is 2 minus I into 2 plus I into 2 plus I. Z1 is 2 minus I and z1 bar is 2 plus I is equal to z1 into z1 bar, multiple of these two complex numbers. So a plus b into a minus b. So 2 square 4 I square minus I square is plus 1 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. 4 plus 5 5. Right. The imaginary part of z1 z1 bar. So 1 by z1 bar is equal to 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. Then the imaginary part of 1 divided by z1 bar is equal to 0. Here 1 by 5 plus 0i. 0i. Only pure real. This complex number 1 divided by z1 bar is equal to only real part. Real part is not 0 and imaginary part is 0. So this is pure real. Okay. So imaginary part of 1 by z1 bar is equal to 0. Okay. Right. Right. Next question. 13th question. Find the modulus and the argument of the complex number. Find the modulus, the argument of the complex number 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 3i. 13. Modulus and argument. 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3i. 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3i is given complex number. Find modulus and argument. Modulus and argument. Let z equal to 1 plus 2a by 1 minus 3a. Okay, right. First of all, given complex number is a rational fraction. So this complex number is converted into standard form, that is a plus ib form. So 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3i. 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3i into 1 plus 3i by 1 plus 3i. Okay, simplify that. 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 3i is 1 plus 3i plus 2i into 1 is 2i. 2i into 3i is 6i square, that is minus I is divided by 1 minus 3i into 1 plus 3i is 1 plus 9 a square minus b square formula. So 9i square is minus 9i square is 9 is equal to 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5i divided by 10. So minus 5, take minus plus 5 on both terms. So minus 1 plus I divided by 10. 5 cancels. So 1 by 2 of minus 1 plus I. 1 by 2 of minus 1 plus I. Right. This is a given complex number. Standard form of given complex number. 1 by 2. This minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2i. 1 by 2 I. Right. Required answer modulus z. So modulus of z is root of real part square. Root of real part square, that is minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to root of 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 is equal to root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. This is modulus of given complex number. Next, argument of given complex number. Argument of given complex number. Here, argument of, we know that argument of x plus iy is equal to tan inverse of modulus y by x. Modulus y by x. And first pattern. Right. Here, z is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 i. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. First of all, alpha is equal to, alpha, let us alpha is equal to tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Here, imaginary part is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1. This is all equal to tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Alpha equal to pi by 4. But this complex number first quadrant, we know first quadrant is tan inverse of y by x. But second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant and difference. So second quadrant theta is equal to, this is argument of this complex number is equal to pi minus alpha, and third quadrant theta is equal to alpha minus pi, and fourth quadrant theta is equal to minus alpha. First quadrant alpha. Okay. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 i. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 i. Minus 1 by 2 is negative. This is a cos value negative and sin value positive. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 I is like in second quadrant. Here cos value, real part value, there is cos value negative and sin value positive. Second quadrant. So theta is equal to pi minus alpha. Theta equal to pi minus alpha. Pi minus alpha is pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4 is equal to 4 pi minus pi by 4. So 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi. So 3 pi. So therefore, argument of a given complex number is equal to 3 pi by 4. Argument of a given complex number 1 plus 2i. 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3i is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Right. Next question. 1412. Find the real numbers x and y. Find the real numbers x and y. If x minus iy into 3 plus 5i. 3 plus 5i is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24. Right. Given information is this complex number x minus iy into 3 plus 5i is conjugate of is equal to minus 6 minus 24i. Conjugate of this complex number. Given find real value of x and y. Find real value of x and y. Right. Listen. This complex number is equal to conjugate of this complex number. Right. Multiple of these two complex number. Multiple of this two complex number. X minus iy. Right. X minus iy into 3 plus i. 5i. X into 3. 3x. X into 3. 3x. And x into 5i plus I 5x plus I 5x minus 3 into iy minus I 3y minus I 3y minus 5 into y 5y I minus I into plus I minus I square is plus 1. So plus 5y plus 5y. 3 into x 3x and 5 into x 5 I 5x minus iy into 3x minus I 3y minus iy into plus 5i is equal to 5y minus I square. Minus I square is plus 1, so plus 5 is equal to conjugate of this complex number is minus 6 plus 24 plus 24 right. Simplify this. 3x plus 5y is real part. Real part of left hand side is 3x plus 5y plus I into imaginary part is 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 6 plus 24i plus 24i. Right. Two complex numbers are equal. Compare this real part and imaginary part. So first time compare real part. Here real part is 3x plus 5y equating real and imaginary parts. Equating real and imaginary parts on both sides. Okay? Right. And here left side real part is 3x plus 5y and right hand side real part is minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Equation number 1. And imaginary part is 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. This is equation number 2. Solve this equation. Have x and y. Right. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Right. 3x plus 5y equal to minus 6 and 5x minus 3y equal to 24. Equal to 24. Right. Multiple 5 into equation number 1 which implies 5 is 15, 15x and 5 is 25, 25y is equal to minus 30. Minus 30. 5 into equation number 1. Next 3 into equation number 2. Equation number 2 which implies equation number 2 is 5x. 3 into 5 15x. 15x and 3 into 3 minus 9y is equal to 3 into 24. 3 into 24 is 72. 72. Right. Solve this. Subtraction of two equations. So minus, plus and minus. So 15x, 15x answer. Remaining 25 plus 9. 34y. 34y is equal to minus 72 minus 30. Minus 72 minus 30 is minus 102. Minus 102. So y is equal to minus 102 divided by 34. Minus 102 divided by 34 is equal to y is 3 times of 34. 3 into 34 is equal to minus 102. Minus 102. So minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. Y equal to minus 3. Substitute the equation number 1 or 2. We have equation number 1. Equation 1 is 3x plus 5y. Y is known minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So 3x minus 15 is equal to minus 6. So 3x is equal to 15 minus 6 plus 15 minus 6. So 3x is equal to 15 minus 6 is 9. So x is equal to 9 by 3 is 3. So therefore x is equal to 3 and y equal to minus 3. Okay? Right. Next question. 1520. Say find the modulus of a complex number 1 plus I. 1520. Find the modulus of a complex number 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I. Modulus. Okay? Right. First, simplify this complex number giving 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I is equal to cross multiplication. 1 plus I into 1 plus I, 1 plus I is the whole square. 1 plus I the whole square minus 1 minus I into 1 minus I, 1 minus I the whole square, whole divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. 1 minus I into 1 plus I. So 1 plus I the whole square is 1 plus I square is minus 1 plus 2ab. So that is 2I minus of 1 plus I square is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2I. Minus 2I. Whole divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. That is a plus b divided minus b formula. So 1 square 1 minus I square is plus 1. Minus I square is plus 1. Right. Is equal to it is it. Right. Is it equal to. Right. So 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Cancel. 1 minus 1 cancel. Remaining 2I minus of minus 2I plus 2I divided by 2. Divided by 2. So 2 to cancel. So 4I. 2 plus 2I plus 2I 4I divided by 2. So 2I. Okay. Right. So z equal to 2I. Z equal to 2I. So we have modulus of 1 plus I by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I is equal to modulus of 2I. Modulus of 2I is equal to root of real part is 0, so 0 plus imaginary part is 2, 2 squared 4 is equal to root of 4 is 2. Modulus of this complex number value is 2. Okay. Right. Next question. Question number 16. Question number 16. If x plus iy the whole cube equal to, if x plus iy the whole cube is equal to u plus I, then show that u by x plus v by y is equal to 4 into x squared minus y squared. 4 into x squared minus y squared. We need show that u by x plus v by y is equal to 4 into x squared minus y squared. Right. Given x plus iy the whole cube is equal to u plus iv. u plus iv. Right. X plus iy the whole cube, that is a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula. You know a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube. A cube is x cube plus b cube is I cube y. B cube is I cube y cube. I cube is minus I. So minus I y cube. Minus I y cube plus 3a squared b. So 3a squared x squared into b is iy plus 3a b squared x into b squared is I squared y squared is equal to u plus iv. U plus iv. So x cube minus iy cube plus I into 3x squared y. I squared value is minus 1, so minus 3xy squared equal to u plus iv. U plus iv. Right. Here real part and imaginary part. Write a plus iv form. So x cube and minus 3xy squared is real part. So x cube minus 3xy squared is real part plus I here minus y cube and x squared y. So 3x squared y minus y cube equal to u plus iv. Equal to u plus iv. Equating real and imaginary parts on both sides. Equating real and imaginary parts on both sides. So left hand side real part is x cube minus 3xy squared. X cube minus 3xy squared. So x cube minus 3xy squared. Right hand side is u. So u value is x cube minus 3xy squared. And v value, it is imaginary parts. 3x squared y minus y cube equal to v. Equal to v. Right? Next. We are going to prove u by x plus v by y. U by x plus v by y is equal to 4 into x squared minus y squared. 4 into x squared minus y squared. So u by x, LHS, let us take LHS is equal to u by x plus v divided by y. V divided by y. You know, u answer is x cube minus 3xy square. U answer is x cube minus 3xy square divided by x. Divided by x. Plus b answer is 3x squared y. 3x squared y minus y cube divided by y. Minus y cube divided by y. X cancel, so x squared minus 3y squared plus here y is common, so 3x squared minus y squared minus y squared is equal to x squared plus 3x squared plus 3x squared plus y squared minus y squared plus 3x squared minus 3y squared minus 3y squared. Okay. Here x squared plus 3x squared. X squared plus 3x squared is 4x squared. 4x squared and minus 3y squared minus y squared is minus 4y squared is equal to 4 of x squared minus y squared is RHS. Is RHS. LHS is u by x plus v by y. First one, find u and v. Now substitute this value. Simplify this. We have 4 of x squared minus y squared is RHS. Hence total. Okay, right. Next. Next question. Question number 17. Question number 17. Alpha and beta are different complex numbers. Alpha and beta are different complex numbers. With alpha equal to x plus iy and beta is equal to a plus ib. Let us consider. Alpha and beta are different complex numbers. With modulus beta equal to 1, given modulus beta equal to 1. Modulus beta equal to 1. Then find modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar in the beta. We need the value of modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar in the beta. Okay, right. And given information, modulus beta is 1. Modulus beta is 1. Let us consider beta equal to a plus ib. Beta equal to a plus ib. Then modulus beta is root of a square plus b square is equal to 1. Given answer equal to 1. So root of a square b square plus b square equal to 1. Then a square plus b square is equal to 1 square is 1. So a square plus b square answer 1. Right? Right. Let's find the value of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta. The modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha bar beta is equal to modulus of beta is a plus ib. Beta is a plus ib minus alpha is x plus iy. Minus of x plus iy is minus x minus iy whole divided by 1 minus alpha bar. Alpha bar is x minus iy. X minus iy. So x minus iy into beta is a plus ib. Beta is a plus ib is equal to a plus ib minus x minus n. Here real part is a and minus x. So a minus x plus I into b minus y. I into b minus y divided by 1 minus x minus iy into a plus ib. That is multiplication of two complex numbers. So 1 minus x into a, ax, x into a, ax, and x into ib plus I bx plus I bx minus iy into e minus I ay minus I ay minus iy into plus ib, that is minus I squared dy. Minus I squared value is plus 1, so plus by is equal to modulus of a minus x modulus of a minus x plus I of b minus y whole divided by modulus of 1 minus of ax minus I dx plus iay minus dy. So 1 minus ax minus dy. This is the real part. 1 minus ax minus dy plus I into minus of plus dx is minus dx. So plus minus is plus is minus. So minus ay is written as plus ay plus dx is written as minus dx. This is standard form. So modulus of just a complex number is equal to, we know that modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. Modulus of z1 by modulus of z2. This term is this term. Right. Modulus of a minus x plus I of b minus y. This is standard form complex number. So root of real part square is a minus x the whole square. A minus x the whole square plus imaginary part is b minus y. Imaginary part is b minus y. So b minus y the whole square. B minus y the whole square whole divided by root of, here real part is 1 minus ax minus by the whole square plus imaginary part is ay minus bx the whole square. Bx the whole square. Right, simply with this is equal to root of a minus x whole square is a square plus x square minus 2ax plus b minus y whole square is b square plus y square minus 2by whole divided by root of 1 minus ax minus b the whole square. That is a plus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca formula. So root of a square is 1 square plus 1, b square is a square x square plus c square is b square y square plus 2ab. This minus 2, 1 into minus ax minus 2ax and 2bc minus and minus plus, so plus 2ab xy plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. C is negative and A is positive, so minus 2by plus imaginary part square ay minus bx whole square. That is a minus b whole square formula. A square y square plus b square x square minus 2ab xy. 2ab xy. Here plus 2ab xy and minus 2ab xy cancel. The remaining is equal to root of a square plus b square a square plus b square plus x square minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2ax minus 2by whole divided by root of 1 plus a square x square, here a square y square, a square x square, a square y square. So a square of x square plus y square, a square of x square plus y square, and b square y square, here b square x square, b square y square, and here b square y square. B square of is written as b square of x square plus y square, b square of x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by. Minus 2ax minus 2by. Right. Here we know that given information modulus of beta equal to 1. Therefore a square plus b square value is 1. So a square plus b square is 1. A square plus b square is 1 plus x square minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2ax minus 2by divided by root of 1 plus a square of x square plus y square plus b square of x square plus y square. X square plus y square is common, so a square plus b square into x square plus y square. A square plus b square into x square plus b square minus 2ax minus 2by. Minus 2ax minus 2by is written as root of 1 plus x square minus 2ax minus 2by divided by here 1 plus a square plus b square is 1. So 1 into x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by. Minus 2ax minus 2by. And here y square is missing, so y square plus y square. Numerator is 1 plus x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by. Denominator is same, 1 plus x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2 is cancelled, is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of beta minus or modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha beta. Modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha alpha beta is equal to 1. Right. Next question number 18. Modulus of 1 minus l whole power x equal to x. And modulus of the complex number is root of a cos square 1 square plus imaginary part is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square is also 1 whole power x is equal to 2 power x. Is written as root 2 power x is equal to 2 power x. Here base is root but here 2. So change the root. Root 2 is written as 2 power 1 by 2 power x, that is 2 power x by 2 is equal to 2 power x. Base equal, also power also equal, so x by 2 is equal to x. X by 2 is equal to x, which implies x equal to 2x. X equal to 2x, therefore 2x minus x equal to 0. 2x minus x equal to 0. And 2x minus x is x. X equal to 0. So therefore, the integral value of x is 0 only. Integral value of x is 0 only. Next question number 19. Question number 19. Given information, if a plus ib into c plus id into e plus if into g plus ih is equal to caps a plus ib. Then show that a square plus b square into c square plus d square into e square plus f square into g square plus h square is equal to capital A square plus capital B square. Right. To prove, given a plus ib into c plus id into e plus if into g plus ih equal to capital A plus ib. Take modulus on both sides. Take modulus on both sides. Right. And modulus of this complex number a plus ib into c plus id into e plus if into g plus ih. So modulus of a plus ib into c plus id into e plus if into g plus ih is equal to capital A plus ib. Capital A plus ib. Right. Now you know the property number 2. Modulus of z1 into z2 into z3 and so on etc. zn is equal to modulus of z1, that is modulus of a plus ib into modulus of z2 into modulus of z3 and so on etc. modulus of z2. So modulus of c plus id into modulus of e plus if into modulus of g plus ih is equal to modulus of a plus ib. Modulus of a plus ib. Right. Modulus of a plus ib is root of a square plus b square, that is real part square plus imaginary part square, in the root of c square plus d square, in the root of e square plus f square, in the root of g square plus h square equal to root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Take positive square on both sides. Take square on both sides. We have a square plus b square into c square plus d square into e square plus f square into g square plus h square is equal to a square plus b square. Thanks more. Right. Next question, question number 20. Last one question. Question number 20. If 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power m is equal to 1, then find the least integral value of m. Find the least integral value of m. That given 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal to 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. This complex number is rational fraction. So the name a plus I form. So standard form. So 1 plus I into 1 plus I is 1 plus I plus I plus I square. This plus I square is minus 1. Divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2i by I, 2i by 2 is equal to I. Is equal to I. The value of 1 plus I, value of 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal to I. And given 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power m equal to 1. Whole power m equal to 1. Here 1 plus I by 1 minus I value is 9. So substitute this value. So I power m equal to 1. I power m equal to 1. Then I power of, we know that I power of fourth multiples of 4n is equal to 1. 4n is equal to 1. N is equal to z. Then I power m is equal to 1. Then m is fourth multiple of integer. That is m equal to 4n. M equal to 4n. Here n is belongs to z. N is belongs to z. 4n or 4x. Even fourth multiple value are all 1. Here find the least integral value. That is fourth multiple mean m is equal to 4. N is equal to 1. N into 4 into 1 4 and 8 12 4 2 are 8 4 2 are 12 4 4 are 60 and so on etc. Here least value, least integral value is 4. Least integral value is 4. Therefore least value of least positive value or integral value is 4. Least positive value of m is equal to 4. Here m is equal to 4 equal 60 and so on etc. All fourth multiple of positive value. But here we need least integral value of m. So least integral value is only 4. So m is least value is 4. Right. Next question. Miscellaneous exercise over. Next example 12, 13. Example 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are all homework. Right. A complex number is completed. Next topic 9th grade. 9th grade arithmetic progression. Sequences and series. It's the next class. Okay, thank you. Bye.